Hey kids, today we're going on a colorful adventure. Let's meet some animals and learn their colors. Are you ready? Let's go! The brown dog goes woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Brown! Brown! The yellow giraffe goes munch, munch, munch. Munch, munch, munch. Yellow! Yellow! The red rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Red! The blue dolphin goes click, click, click. Click, click, click. Blue!
Brown, yellow, red, blue.
Hey, color time! Let's have some fun!
Brown, yellow, red, blue.
Join the sound!
Everyone.
The green turtle goes snap, snap, snap.
Snap, snap, snap.
Green!
Green.
The orange starfish goes swish, swish, swish.
Swish, swish, swish.
Orange!
Orange.
The pink